We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, and today we're looking at a 2005 Honda Shadow Spirit. So you can see this has disc brakes, which is really nice for the year. It shifts really well. Nice tall windshield. Saddlebags and passenger backrest. The key is on the left-hand side, right here. And it is carbureted. Here's the choke, but don't need it. It's already warm. She should start right up. Nice and quiet. You can also see that we only have 3,461 miles. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test drives 6 days a week.